This is Anusha. In this video, I would be exploring the topic pattern matching using like versus regular expression in SQL. Like operator is used to perform pattern-based filtering in a columns value, not exact matching. For this demonstrations, I will be using customer feedback data where I have customer ID, customer name, email, phone number, city and feedback. So, when using like operator, there are these two wild characters where percentage is a character where it matches any number of characters, be it is digits or the characters or the alphabets or any special characters. And the underscore matches exactly one and only one character. Let's see how they work. Like here we have a phone number column. So we want to select only those phone numbers which are starting with 91. So here we are giving the phone numbers pattern as phone like 91%. It will select all those phone numbers which are starting with 91 and then the percentage will take any number of characters after 91. So here notice it will only give those values which are starting with 91. Even plus 91 is not filtered. In the same way, if I want to match phone numbers, like the phone number should start with two characters. So two underscores I have given, in the middle hyphen and then 10 characters. So that time I am giving the pattern matching like this. So it is only detecting those phone number which is starting with 2 digits, hyphen in the middle, again 10 digits. In the same way, if I want to understand the customer feedback we have given exceptionally well, like a great, there is a great word in the feedback, then I can use percentage, great percentage. And in the same way, if I want to see in feedbacks what are the delays, then we can use the percentage delay percentage. And notice delay comes in the middle of the feedback. So here this percentage will take all these characters and this percentage is taking all these characters. And in the same way, to validate email also we can use these while characters and like operator and do the pattern matching. Here also I have a products table and I have a ID, purchase date and image name. So if I want to detect the fixed date format strings, I can use with like and do like this. In my purchase date all are in this format only, so all the records are displayed. I want to even match partial file formats, like my product name should be only product images should only be in the JPG files and it should start from IMG and in the middle I should have these kind of 3 characters. So when I try to match like that, this image name is not displayed because I have given 3 underscores. Now we look at the regular expression and how we do it. Regular expression is a powerful pattern language used to search, match, extract or replace text based on complex rules. It can detect patterns, not just exact words. The purpose of regular expression is to validate formats, clean data, search with flexible patterns, extract data from text, classify or tag data. Let's see how they work. So again I am using the same feedback data. So here I am trying to categorize the feedback sentiments roughly. So if in the feedback I have great, excellent or good words, then it will categorize as positive. If in the feedback I have complaint, damaged, wrong or refund or return, then it is negative and else it is neutral. So this is how the sentiments are categorized. If I want to validate the customer names, like I want customer names only with alphabets and spaces, there we are giving regular expression and this character says the start of the matching and this is the end of the matching, and it is saying to include all the alphabets of capital letters, small letters and spaces, and that's what were displayed. The names with the dots or special characters were filtered. And here again I want to clean phone number. Here we are only searching for a certain kind of values, but here we want to clean the phone numbers and we want to replace certain things. So we are using regular expressions replace, and in the phone column this character coming inside the parenthesis is like negating. So whatever characters which are not from 0 to 9, select them and then replace it with here nothing. So whenever characters like hyphen or alphabets they come up, it would replace with nothing. It will preserve and give us only those values which have only numerical digits from 0 to 9. Next we can use previously we have used regular expression and then replace. Now here we are using regular expression substring. And why? Because we are trying to extract email domain names. So we are actually using regular expression substring, the email column, and wherever the @ comes in the substring, there after the @ the capital A to Z, small a to Z, digits, dot and hyphen can come. So this is how we are extracting the domain names. In the same way, if we want to match emails with a valid format, I mean we want emails with this format, @ in the middle, domain name at the end, and in the mid and at the first the username. So for that again we are using include all these characters. You can include all these characters before @ and after @ all these characters can be included. Here dot is given with the escape character and then end. Then you can validate all the emails with valid format. Then again I am considering a different customer data set to demonstrate few other queries. So I have customer data, customer ID, full name, email, phone number, postal code, address. So here I want to again detect invalid names. Previously we were filtering those names which are valid, but here we are detecting invalid names simply by using not operator, not regular expression, this pattern matching which we did before. So it is actually showing those values which have special characters or digits inside. And in the same way, if we want to validate email formats, so again the same logic we are using, but here we are using not operator to see those emails which are not following the standard rules. Like see here @ is the domain name is not there, here double @ and here .com extension is missing. So if you want to detect invalid postal codes, for Indian postal codes there should be 6 digits and all digits. So for that we are using postal code not in regular expressions, 0 to 9 digits and 6 digits. So here this is displayed because it is 6 digits, but there is an alphabet in the middle. And in the same way, notice like in address some have given the city name comma the state name, some gave city name comma the country name, so and the spaces. So we want to extract only the city name. So at first we are using the substring because we are extracting a substring from a string. So we are using regular expression substring address, and then all these characters should be only included as city, and now you can see we are getting only city names. So that's all for my demonstration. Hope it is helpful for you. Thank you.